Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So now here, okay, Suza akan terangkan mengenai soalan-soalan yang kamu minta tolong Suza explain. So this November, paper number 2. Okay, so November 2017. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, number 1, part C. Soalan ini mengenai chapter 9, which is financial transaction. Okay, so it's financial transaction. Right, so let's read the question here. What it says here is, Sarah pays a total of $322 for her car insurance. Okay, so this is the total. Yeah, this total is made up of basic charge plus 15% tax. You need to find out the tax berapa. So in other words, it says that the total yang bayar is 322 untuk insurance. What this total made up of is basic charge, okay, campur dengan 15% tax. So you need to find out ini berapa in dollars. Okay, now it looks tricky ya. It's a bit tricky pasal apa? Pasal ia sebenarnya mana ada membagi tahu duit ini di dalam, basic charge dalam amount of money. So it looks confusing, but actually, you will see that it's actually not that far off dari apa yang kita ni sudah belajar. Okay, so kita ni tahu ini totalnya, kita ni tahu 15% ini yang akan kita ni cari, and we need to find out what do we know about basic charge, basic, original. Okay, let's talk about percentage. Pasal apa ia ada bagi percentage sini? So I can only relate to a percentage, to another percentage. So basic charge percentage-nya would be it's basic, it's original, so it should be 100% plus 15%. Okay, so it's equal to 115%. So in other words, 115% ini represent the $322. Okay, so if I were to write all of that information, it would be 322 equals to 115%. So kalau 15% equals to berapa? All you have to do is cross multiply. Okay? And you should find your tax. Pasal you mau tax kan, the 15% tukarkan jadi dollar. That's it. Okay? So let's go to the next one. Which one is it? I think it was this one, 3C. Lupa the label. I think it should be 3C. Okay. So this part right here. So the shopkeeper sells all sizes of men's shirt at $10 each, sell women at 9.5. He sell all of these t-shirt. So work out 10, 9.5 sama ini. Okay. Now, this is on a matrix, matrix punya chapter. If you remember, matrix ada caranya. Macam mana kita ni kan multiply dua matrix. Now, if you look here, what's the size here? It's 1 by 2. 1 row, 2 column. And then 2 by 3. So, since yang tatangnya sama, artinya kita ni boleh kali. So, final answernya is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. That means 1 row and then 3 column. So, macam mana usulnya? Okay. So, macam mana kita ni akan mengkali? So, let's label this first. This is first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column. This is positionnya ya. This is first row kan? First row and then column yang pertama. Masih first row, column yang kedua. Masih first row tapi column yang ketiga. Okay, we're going to use this information right here. First row, first column. Artinya first row yang di sini and then the first column dikali. So 10 kali 10, 9.5 kali 20. Okay, so sini 10 kali 10, 9.5 kali 20. Jangan lupa dicampur. Ini untuk jawapan first row, first column. Untuk jawapan yang kedua ni, first row, second column. So first row and then second column. So 10 sama 25, 9.5 sama 40 dicampur. You should get 3 elements. Okay, ada 3 nombor di dalam itu. Right. Now next one is work out the percentage profit. The percentage profit. Okay, so I'm just going to change the color. Percentage profit of the shopkeeper makes when he sells all of the t-shirt? Okay, now you have to understand the question. This one relates to yang di awal-awal. Bahagian awal, dia cakap si Anya ni make t-shirt. Lepas tu si Anya ni sells this t-shirt to a shop. And then this is a shopkeeper. So to conclude the story here is, si Anya yang membuat t-shirt ini dijualnya arah shopkeeper. Shopkeeper ini dijualnya arah customer. Ketani lah tu. So, si Anya bilanya menjual arah si shopkeeper, contoh si Waho, ada harganya yang spesifik. Kemudian si Waho ditaruhnya arah kedainya, dijualnya arah customer, harganya lain. Tapi dia ada bagi hint sini, profit. Artinya si shopkeeper ni lagi tinggi menjual harganya daripada si Anya. So all you have to do is find out Anya jual berapa, shopkeeper jual berapa, tolak jawapannya, atau artinya profit. Profit in dollars. Tapi kita ni mau percentage. So you just have to change it jadi percentage. Okay? So now, where does Anya punya tu yang di sini? I think di sini tu. Ada dua jawapan, okay, satu di atas, satu di bawah. 440 sama 540. Yang 440 ini I think man, ini woman punya t-shirt, okay. So all you have to do, total t-shirt berapa? So artinya berapa harga total t-shirtnya? 440 campur 540. Itu untuk jawapan si Anya punya harga totalnya yang dia dapat duitnya. Shopkeeper daripada sini tu tak ada 3 jawapan tadi. So, 3-3 ini dicampur. So, satu tu campur yang kedua, campur yang ketiga. Ini total si shopkeeper. And then what do? You minus. So, jawapan yang sini, you minus dengan jawapan sini, you will get jawapan ini. Jawapan ini apa? Profit. Profit in dollar. Okay? Kamu mau tukar jadi percentage. So artinya profit ini dibahagi dengan original. Jadi harga si Anya in total. So original si Anya berapa totalnya? Okay, kali dengan pasal percentage 100%. Okay, so that's how you do it. Right. Next one is I think I told you already pasal ini stretch. It doesn't masuk arah you punya syllabus anymore, so leave that, only that part, only this whole page number 9 dah masuk. Okay, next one is the label sini. Okay, ini pasal this year ni punya syllabus, this year punya chapter is on, apa namanya tu kemah? Lupa susah. 19 set, pasal set. Okay, you have to understand integer. Integer artinya positive whole number, negative whole number sama 0. Tapi bukan sekadar integer, ia ini range-nya. Artinya 10, 11, 12, 13 sampai 20. Okay, A is odd number. So artinya 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. X is a multiple of 5. Okay, yang dikali 5. So artinya yang dapat dibahagi dengan 5. So 10, 15, 20. 3 nombor saja. Find A and B. Apa N itu? Intersection. Okay. Ia bukan mau apa elemennya, ia mau yang N di depan itu. Ia mau ni. Apa artinya? Number of elements yang di dalam A and B. So first what you have to do is, you mesti listkan dulu apa saja elemennya. Okay? So first list out here. New Saturday, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And then this one here. Multiple of 5. Artinya 5, masuk. 10, 15, 20. Okay, so apa yang ada dalam A sama B? Mesti ada dalam dua-dua. So as you can see, what is it in common? You have 15 sahaja. So 15, right? How many elements are there? Elements ini artinya berapa benda yang ada di dalam itu? It's only 1. Nombor 15 satu saja. Okay, so the answer is 1. Now, find the complement of A or B. Find that is not in A or in B. Artinya, dalam A semua odd number. So, apa yang ada di dalam A is all even number. So, artinya, nombor 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, Shanuzah tahu pasal ia ada equal lah. Jadi, dua-dua nombor tu masuk. B sudah kita ni list kan. Okay, which is 10, 15 sama 20. So, or ini apa? Semua yang ada. semua yang ada dalam semua sekali. So artinya, you have to list out. So artinya 10, jangan diulang balik-balik. Dua elemen tiap, satu saja yang sama dapat diulang. 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. So 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. That's it. Okay, next one. A number R is chosen at random from E element di atas sini. Okay, so we don't know what R is, but it's chosen in random. Find the probability that R is in element A or B. R ni di dalam A or B. Okay, so artinya, again or artinya yang ada di dalam dua-dua. So, bukan in common semua yang ada di dalam ni. So, A or B means nombor 10, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. R ni di dalam ni. So, we don't know what R is. We know that it's inside here. You have to find out the probability. Ingati, probability is basically apa yang kamu mau over total sekali, semua sekali. So, apa yang kamu mau? Kamu mau di antara semua nombor ni. Ada berapa? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ada 7 nombor. Over total semua sekali nombor berapa? 10 sampai 20. Jangan lupa, bukannya 10 tu kamu kira benar-benar. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ada 11 nombor. Sudahlah wisdom, dapat hadiah kacau. Okay? Okay, next one. Ini dapat ya. Aduh, label sudah ni mana dia. Lagi. Okay, there. Soalan 9 bahagian B. The diagram shows the cross-section of the tunnel. The cross-section of the tunnel is a major segment of a circle center O. Okay, good. I understand the question. You have to understand the question, baru kamu dapat jawab. The radius of the circle is 4.5 meter and angle AOB is 110. So it's just describing what you are given in the diagram. Okay, calculate the area of the cross-section of the tunnel. You have to find out the area of semua sekali ni. Okay, so let me just padam. Right, so what we have is, ani is triangle, okay, and then ani is a sector. Right, so let's find out area untuk triangle dulu. Area triangle kena bagi 110, 4.5. Pasal radius kan, and ani adalah center, so it's safe to say here is also radius 4.5. So this is using area of triangle kan ada dua, half time base time height, where your height is vertical. We are not given anything here, which is the base. So I don't think it's safe to use that. Half times AB times sine C. Half AB sine C. Kamu punya AB is yang in between angle C. Angle C is 110, so 4.5A. Sini kamu punya B. So 4.5 sine 110. Kira berapa? Jangan 3 significant figures dulu, pasal belum final answer. Okay. Done. Next, kita ni mau cari area of the sector. Okay. So area of sector, kalau kamu check your notes, or if you remember, it's basically something that involves kamu punya angle over 360 kali dengan area of the circle, which is pi r square, atau area of sector. So ini dari mana datangnya? Daripada size ni lah yang kan kamu mau area of sector tu kan. So all you have to do is 360, okay, total semua sekali, minus dengan 110. Kamu akan dapat yang di sini. Bila kamu dapat itu, over 360 times pi, R-nya dari mana? 4.5. Square jangan lupa. So you will get another answer. Again, let me repeat, do not leave your answer in 3 significant figures yet, because it's not final. Now you want to find out the total, right? Yeah, the cross section, which is the whole thing. So what you have to do is, you just have to plus this answer lah. Bila kamu plus the answer, baru kamu finalize your answer. Okay? Right, so next one, let me just check. Oh, here. Okay, this one. You're given a rectangular picture here. rectangular frame. So the length AB of the picture is 3 times its height. So the total area of the picture and the frame is 476. So semua sekalian ni, picture and the frame is 476. Form an equation in X and show that it simplifies to 3x squared plus 16x minus 460. Now, macam mana ni kalau kita ni kan cari soalan, workingnya macam mana? Kita ni mesti gather all the informations that we're given. We are given now, total area, semua sekali is 476. So we are going to use that idea. Okay, so definitely we know the area untuk rectangle. Okay, area untuk rectangle is base time height. Next question is, we need to find out dulu, ini berapa size-nya, and then ini berapa size-nya. Okay, let's start with this one. Yang di sini ya. So ini is basically 2 campur X campur 2. 2 campur X campur 2. Okay, which is equal to 2 campur 2, 4. 4 plus X. Atau kamu punya height. Jangan dibuat sana, kadang confused. Atau kamu punya height-nya. Okay, this is your height. Next is, kamu mau yang ini di sini. Okay. 2 campur 2 campur apa ni? Kita ni mesti tahu. Baca balik soalan. Mesti ada bagi. Kalau ini macam mana kita ni akan menjawab? Ina, 3 times its height. So, length AB of the picture is 3 times its height, X centimeter. Okay? Picture kamu, bukannya frame. Ingat yang putih ni frame. Pahami benar-benar soalan. Yang putih ni frame. Yang grey ni yang picture. So, AB, which is this size, this picture is 3 times the height, which is X. So, in other words, sebenarnya, yang ini, okay, kita padam jurit ya. So, maksudnya, yang bahagian sini adalah 3X. Pasal katanya 3 times height-nya. Okay, so now we know that this length here is 2 plus 3X plus 2. So, sebab kemarin, 2 plus 3X plus 2. Ini dapat dicampur lagi. So, 4 plus 3X. This is the base. Okay, so all you have to do is kali saja. Ini area of rectangle kan. Okay, lagi sekali saya ulang. Kenapa saya fokus on area? Pasal ia bagi jawapan untuk area. Itu yang kita ni dapat. Okay, pakai. So, base time height. Base time height artinya, ini kali dengan ini is equal to, you sudah bagi 476. So, base 4 plus X times height 4 plus 3X equal to 476. Expand everything and then pindahkan ke sebelah. Dia jadi equal to 0. Jawapan kamu di sini sepatutnya sama dengan, kita tukar warnanya supaya clear benar-benar. It should be the same as this one. This should be how your final answer look like di sini. Okay? Right. I think that's it for this one, this question. Oh, okay. Another one. I think this is the last one, is it? Yeah, the last one. Okay. 11A. Soalan ini, a vertical mass, XY, mana XY ini nah, okay, is positioned on horizontal ground, ini horizontal, okay, so the mass is supported by 4 cables, and then, blah, 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 blah. Y is the center of square, ini square size-nya di bawahnya, so PY is 7.5, so this is 7.5, ya sudah bagi. Okay, given that AB is 3.65, so this is also given 3.65. Show that AY is 2.58. You have to show. So artinya you know how your final answer should look like. Okay, you just have to prove. So that's good. At least we know what to expect. So we know we have to expect 2.58. Okay, so yang bagian ni, yung suruh syariah ni. Macam mana tu? Maybe what we can do is kita ni cari macam ni. Okay, pasal ia square artinya equal kan tak? So maksudnya ini square kan kamu. So Uzza tahu sini 3.65, this is the base yang Uzza bercakap pasal base nya. 3.65 and pasal square sini sama sini definitely equal, so isosceles. And I know here is berapa? 90, 90. Okay, semua berbahagi sama rata ni pasal ia square. So, ertinya kalau usahakan draw satu saja, bahagi 2, ertinya sini 45. Pasal ia susul sini pun 45. So, this is 3.65. So, Uza draw that one. So, if I were to take only that part, okay, I'm going to draw that again in a bigger size. So, here is 45 degree. Mana? Sini 3.65 dibahagi, pasal 3.65 semua dibahagi 2. So here would be the answer for that. So 3.65 dibagi 2 would be here, my base. I just have to find this. So that would be one of this. Okay. So kah tahu mana satu? Label dulu. This is pasal sama dengan angle. This is A. This is hypotenuse. So that would bring me to cosine. Okay, so do that. Cosine, whatever. Okay, next one, calculate the length of one of the cables used to support the mast. Kejap, before that, remember this is how your final answer should look like. Okay, so that should help you. Calculate the length of one of the cables used to support the mast. One of the cables. Mana datangnya one of cable? Baca balik. The mast is supported by 4 cables attached to the mast at P to the ground. Artinya, apa yang mana satu mast ini nah? AP ataupun BP ataupun CP ataupun CDP. Pasal apa? Katanya 4 cables. So you just have to calculate one of the cables. Okay, so if I were to padam balik this, all of this, I just have to find this one. Ustaz jumpa ini daripada 1 and I already given this one kan? PY kan? Mana? Ni nah. Okay, so I'm given this one. I found this one daripada yang number A, which I know 2.58. Okay, I just have to find this. And ni sudah tahu ya 90 degree. Pasal apa? Pasal katanya yang arah ground is horizontal. And then yang ini vertical. So automatically kalau ini vertical dan ini horizontal, they form a 90 degree. So if I were to draw that, what I have is A, P sama Y. PY ada yang bagi sudah sini 7.50. Sini yang kamu jumpa should be 2.58. Find this one. Pakai apa ni? Tidak ada involve angle at all. Artinya pakai the old Pythagoras theorem. Okay, jangan careless. Pastikan mana satu yang kamu campur, mana satu yang equal to, mana yang kamu square root and everything. Okay? That's it? That's it. Okay, alhamdulillah. Alright boys, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh.